This is Avinash Sharma, and in this session, we will discuss the R language. What is the R language? What is the significance of the R language in the industries? Why we use the R language? What is the R language? Like the other language, say C Sharp or Java, R language is also a programming language. But in the C Sharp or Java, generally we generate the custom applications. But in R language, this language has been designed for a specific purpose. For presenting the data in visual form, for analyzing the data, and for statistical computing the data. So this is the purpose of the R language. Now, we check what can we do with the R language. The first point is we can create the custom data, visualization and the dashboard. It means we take the data, we analyze the data, and then we can create a dashboard. That dashboard means we can put the different type of visuals with the different type of analysis. Basically, dashboard is a summary of the different type calculations. Second point, explore, manipulate and the calculate on the data set. Suppose you have a very large database or large data sets, and that data set is full of the interesting insights. Now you have to explore the meaningful information. Here, the manipulation means like explore the information and convert those information into meaningful information according to your requirements. So that can be done with the R programming language. R language. R language is rich with a big library of the statistical function. So using those functions, you can do some experiment and you can perform some data experiment and find the different type of statistics using these functions. The next one is the predict everything with the machine learnings. So using the machine learnings, so you can have some predictions about the questions, or you can have some guesses about some questions on the basis of the historical data. Next is the automatic report. Suppose you have a task from your management that you have to submit a reports on weekly basis, daily basis at a particular time. So for that purpose, you can schedule your reports using this system. And that system will gather the data, prepare the presentation and submit to the management according to your scheduled time and date. Now we check the feature of the R programming. Like the other languages, say C Sharp or Java, these languages support the OOPS concept. Also, the R language support the OOPS concept. In the R language, there are more than 10,000 packages. In the package, we have the big library of the methods and the functions. And the R language, when it is compiled, so it produces machine-independent codes, and that is portable in nature. R language, to handle the large and complex data, we have the vectors, array, data frames as well, and these are not available in the other language. This R language can be integrated with the many other technologies like the Hadoop and the SDFC. And finally, the R language is also called the cross-platform language. It means the program developed in the R language can be run on any other OS, say Windows or Mac, any other OS. To use the R programming language, we have the two editors. One is the RGUI and second is the RStudio. In RGUI, we type the program, we type the commands and then get the result. But in Studio, basically it's a environment. It's a integrated environment. We can develop the program, debug the program and test the program. So guys, this was all about the introduction about the R programming language. Thanks for watching the video.